Welcome to the Traders Market Intelligence Report, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. My name is Robert Roy, and this update is for Monday, the 11th of December, 2023. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I hope it was a great trading day for you. Man, it was a good-looking day. There's no question about that. Let's go ahead and dive right in. So we look at the S&P 500. What did it do? Well, we've got 4 minutes left till the market closes, so we're going to kind of watch it tick right into the end. We're just above that 4,600 level. We are above the recent high and close. We got a higher high today and close. So overall, we've got a nice steady move up. We had enough compression happen over the last week and a half, and today's breakout, magnifique, right? Hold that, retest the 4,600 on Monday and bounce. And man, we got some great opportunities ahead of us if that's the case. We're looking at that 46.61. 46.61 is the next upside target. We look at VIX. Here's the fun part, right? You look at VIX, and we're down to like 12.5. I mean, my goodness gracious. It's like there's no volatility at all. Volatility doesn't exist at this level. There's nothing. We're back into 2018, 19 levels when we're getting back down into that edge there, right? If we look at a bigger time frame, let's go look over first at, let's go over to weeklies first, right? Let's do weekly, not monthly. So weekly, we've broken out very nicely. I mean, very, 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 very nicely, right? Good strong move to the upside. Nice pullback and a bounce. This makes, we barely have broken out on this week, but we did get above that level there, but we wouldn't even call that 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks above. Now we're still bumping our head from a weekly standpoint on that swing high that was made over there. We're still bumping up to that at 46.07. But, you know, we're talking about that was July of this year, of 23. So we've got some room to go to break out. But, man, if we can break this level, there's a little congestion at, above head, a little bit of resistance to contend with. If we could break out the 4,600, the 46.07, stay, retest, bounce, we've got 48.25 is the next upside. 200 points on our weekly chart. We look at a monthly. Monthly's not as pretty, right? But it is good. We had a nice run up. We had this pullback. It was almost a reverse rising three pattern, right? Strong move in the month of November. Wow, that was massive move in there for the month. Watch. If we back this up, 374 points in the month of November, right? Right now for this month, we're up 37 points. So it ain't nothing great. We've kind of, again, played around a little bit at that upper level that we're at now. Push up on a monthly standpoint. Now we're looking at 48.1862, and that takes us back into 2022. So we've got some work cut out for us to get to those levels up there, but overall, great opportunities. If we go back one more time and look at a daily chart, I'm going to go over to the S&P 500. What do I want to see happen? Well, I started to mention it earlier, and there's the close, right into it, and we closed above the 4,600, 46.04.37, right? So we got above the 4,600. I need a little bit more of a move up, 46.15, 20, maybe 15 or 20, somewhere in there. Pull back 4,600, bounce. I like it a lot, a whole lot. If that's the case, 46.61 is our upside. If we break to the downside, 45.80 is our first downside target, and we have that diagonal trend line in there. So there's a little bit of support, hesitation, some reason to slow down there before we push and possibly break down through the next level. And by the way, there's also an 8 moving average there. So there's really 2 floorboards in place, 2 levels of strength right there. Great confluence between those 2. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Make it a profitable day, and I will see you all on our next update. Bye for now.